Are you a fresher or an experienced employee and looking for a job in any industry? So guys, let's talk about how to craft a resume in year 2024. Guys, tip number 1, always keep it concise. My recommendations 1 to 2 pages maximum. Make sure you mention the correct email ID and phone numbers. Very important. Use bullet points for easy readability. Highlight achievements, not just job duties. Customize the resume for each job. Use action verbs like manage, will, achieve. Include keywords from the job description. Proofread all types of errors, or you may use ChatGPT. Keep the design clean and professional. Guys, I hope these tips will help you craft your resume that stands out. For more job opportunities, visit www.aviationindeed.com now. Thank you.